It's time to get the jet ski out and use it. But somehow I don't think I'll get far with this wheel bearing, so I'd better fix it. I love doing wheel bearings, and with the right tools and setup, it's a job that you can bowl over pretty quickly. And I find that the marine bearing kits seem to last a lot longer than the automotive ones. Especially with the much bigger surface area offered by the stainless steel insert. Anyway, that's it. Job done. Let's get out there. What a great day. I've spent a fair bit of time out here over the last few weeks, hoping to see those hammerhead sharks, or the school of hammerhead sharks that are out here. I've had the drone up looking for them, but so far still have not managed to see them. This weather's looking so good, I think we'll all head out to Coventry Reef. And perfect conditions. Some of the water around has been pretty murky, but out here I can see it's about 10 metres deep, and I can see fish swimming on the bottom, and the bottom itself. So great conditions. And now we've headed down to Mandurah. Simon's borrowed this jet ski and having a few issues. One thing we didn't realise is that he forgot to put the bungs in. So it wasn't long before the jet ski started to sink. Also the bilge pump wasn't working. Anyway, it was also seemed to be only running on 3 cylinders, so...
Sorry mate, sorry. Oh, there we go.
It's got bloody oil all over it. Jesus.
Fuck, I can't get it off. It should be loose now, I think. Just have a look. Oh shit! No wonder why it's got no oil left. Fuck, I hope he didn't pay more than $30 for this.
Oh look, bloody plug thing's fucking sitting on top of the... That should be helping it run really well too.
Oh shit, that's supposed to be screwed in there, Dave.
Fucking hell.
Oh dear.
How much did you pay for it? $2 grand? That's a bit rich, isn't it?
So I've been... How many cylinders are in there?
Four.
So
Well,
I've been
3 running and 1 not.
So I've been running
three and a bit.
So
yeah.
anyway, it wasn't idling
Hopefully.
very well. Oh well, it looks like we'll have to get some...
In no time we had the water drained out and the coils back on the spark plug and all running well. So it's time to head out for another shot at the Mandurah estuary. We took a bit of a cruise through Port Bovard, and although the speed limit is only 5 knots, it was worth doing. Some fantastic looking houses, boats, jet skis. We had such a great time over the last few days cruising the Mandurah estuary. We plan to do it again very soon.